Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. Here we have the Ford Kuga Vignale. It's on a 17 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through just a few of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot space first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically, as you can see. As you can also see, we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space available, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in, and as I mentioned, we'll run through some controls on the inside of the car from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. With it being the Vignale trim level, you get these fantastic leather seats. There's loads to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer over on that right-hand side. In the middle, at the bottom, the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge. And then above that, the main trip computer, which includes the total miles for this car. They are 76,151. To the right-hand side of that, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic. We are in park currently. You can change the information displayed in that main section for various bits of trip computer, fuel economy information, and the digital readout for the speedometer. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was just using are here. Below that, we have our cruise control and speed limiter. We've also got adaptive cruise, so this car is able to maintain itself or its own distance between itself and the car in front. It will speed up and slow down automatically based on the car in front speed, and you can adjust that just here. We have our phone and stereo controls, the plus and minus paddles behind the steering wheel so that you can change up or down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Into the center, we have the main touchscreen for the car, which, as you can see, features satellite navigation. The home screen, or the home button I should say, will take you back to the home screen where you can see all of these different options all at once. You could then access your satellite navigation, your audio of course, which comprises of AM, FM and DAB radio, a CD player, Bluetooth audio so you can stream your music wirelessly. We've also got USB inputs which will appear on here should you plug devices into them. Again, you can come back a page and back to the home screen from up there. This is where you pair your phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
Then just follow the instructions on screen from there. You can pair up certain mobile-friendly apps to this car, and on the main screen just here you can see that they would include Apple CarPlay. If I put the vehicle into reverse, we've got a full colour reversing camera to go along with the parking sensors. And then below that, we've got our dual zone climate control. You can adjust the passenger and driver temperatures. You can increase just here and decrease the fan speed within the car. You can determine what direction you'd like the air distributed in. Air conditioning is then off or on from here. We've got a heated rear screen, heated front screen. The auto button will make the air conditioning or turn on the climate control I should say. As you can hear, the car will take full control of the fan speed and also the direction of the air to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for, and you can override that whenever you wish to. We have a heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings, the same for the passenger side. Below that, we can turn off the stop and start. We can turn on our heated steering wheel. We can open up the tailgate from inside the car. We can turn our parking sensors on and off, and this car has autonomous parking, meaning it can parallel park and perpendicular park itself, or bay park. It will take control of the steering for you, essentially, and you can turn that off whenever you wish to as well. We have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, a 12-volt charging socket, electronic handbrake, and in here 2 cup holders. You can see there the key for the vehicle. To start this car up, you just need to make sure the key is in here with you, and then you can start and stop the engine with this button. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork we have. So firstly, in the envelope here is the spare key. So 2 keys in total, the V5 registration document for the car, of course, and the service book. So pre-delivery inspection in 2017, and then service in 2017, 2018, 20, 22, 23, and 2025. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.